going on? This is your Professor Watsi of the Option Snipers community, and we are going to be setting up our Tradovate Workspace today. All right, we're going to go step by step so that we could have our workspace look exactly how it needs to look for us to maximize gains and minimize losses in the market. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. The first thing we're going to want to do is at the top left, we're going to go to add modules and we're going to add the super DOM. Okay, now once we pick it up, we're going to drag and drop it, and then in the search bar, we're going to search for the ES, right? The S&P 500, okay? We're going to select. Now, what we see here is real-time data, okay? This is our current price for the S&P 500. In real time, you can obviously see it going back and forth. We have our buyers and sellers here on the left and right side. If we want to actually create an order, we can actually click on the price level that we want that's highlighted. And then once we click that, it's going to allow us to buy or sell the amount of contracts here on the left side under quantity. Okay. Now, once it does initiate and the contracts are purchased, then it would allow us to see our position and our either profit or loss here on the left side. Okay. So that's super DOM. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our chart. We're going to go ahead and again drag it, but then drop it on the right side. Okay, and same thing, we're going to add the ES S&P 500. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to minimize the left side and maximize the right side, right? So that we can have a clear vision and view of the right side. Now, on the right side, we have our chart. Obviously, we see everything that's going on. We have our price levels here on the left side, the right side. We have the time here on the bottom, okay? We have our time period here for the chart. So this is currently a 1 minute chart, okay? So if we wanted to change that, we could simply just change that here, right? We have the S&P 500 here. We have the last price, the bid and ask prices, which is the same thing here, okay? Now we have our buttons as well here on the right side for the chart. So same ordeal as the left side. Okay, if you want to buy at market, you would buy the market price and you would click this button. Once you click this button, it would buy the amount of contracts seen in this window right here, in this box right here, which would be 1. Okay, same thing for sell orders if you would want to sell. Okay, so the same thing applies. Now, if we were to buy market here, we could still be able to sell market on this side as well, as long as you make sure that the tickers are the same. Okay, so make sure that this is the same as this. Okay, so that it could allow you to enter and exit with either button. Okay, if you would want to exit your position completely, you would simply just hit exit at market and cancel. You can use both of those selections, either or, based on where you're on the chart. And yeah, that's essentially how you would set up your Tradovate workspace. Now, if you have any questions on how you can continue to generate profits in the market, what you would want to do is join our community if you're currently not already. What you should do is go ahead and click the link below. The link below is going to take you to a web page that's going to show you how you can learn more about us and the things that we do. We actually trade in the market on a day-to-day basis, about 2 to 3 times a week, okay, where all of our community comes together and we dissect the market and analyze the market in real time so that we can all generate profits together, because that's the whole idea of what we do as a community. Now, if that sounds like something you would want to do, right? If you're currently trading by yourself and you're essentially hitting your head and you don't really know how to move forward and how to progress to the new and the next level as a trader, then this opportunity is definitely for you. Hey, what's going on? This is Wasi from the Option Snipers, and we're looking for new traders that are literally telling themselves, I have no idea what I'm doing in the market. If that sounds like you, it is going to be imperative for you to go ahead, click the link below so that you can join our community. Listen, we're not for everybody, so if you feel like you already know it all, please, by all means, continue to strive for your own success. But if you're someone that literally needs the assistance, it's definitely going to benefit you to join our community. All right, so go ahead and click the link below and we'll see you soon. Chat later.